Yo, what's good, everybody? That dude Trace is back with another video, man. AKA Diamond back with another video. Now, if y'all didn't see my last video or my last other video, so my last recent recap video, I edited that video quickly because I saw this setup right here. So I'm gonna walk you guys through what you call it, what I'm seeing, right? So right now we on the 15. If I had to go on the 5 minutes, actually, it's gonna be a little choppier, but yeah, it's gonna be a little choppier, but let me just start on the 15, right? So what I'm seeing right now is the ICI potentially. In my last video, I did also see the ICI, but I entered too early, so it's looking like it's forming it back up right now. As we can see, this is what I'm seeing. So this whole thing right here is a C, and I'm seeing the potential I going up this way, right? So there are three things that I use to confluence my trades, right? So the first thing is basically seeing the trend. So seeing the trend, right? So do we see the trend here? Yes. Why? How do we see the trend here? Right? Basically, as you can see, if you just back up just a little bit, you can see that this is an uptrend overall, right? Even on the shorter time frames, it's in an uptrend, and it's making higher highs and higher lows. That's a trend. That's an uptrend, right? So, you know, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Oop, let me just take this right here. Right, higher high, higher low. Now it's gonna potentially try to make a higher high. So, do we see a trend? Yes, we do, right? So we see a trend, and we also see the ICI method right here. ICI entry method, and then the last thing is momentum. And as you can see, if we go on the 5 minute, you can see that there's plenty of momentum right up here as well. In my opinion, other people may see like maybe that's not momentum, but this is momentum right here, right? It's continually making higher lows, as we can see. So the last thing is momentum, and we see momentum. And so at any point in time, I can actually get into this trade, right? So momentum. I can't spell. Please don't come after me. Yeah. So as long as I see all three of these things and it checks off my boxes, I'm getting into this trade. So for this trade, I'm risking 0.5%. so let's just say I'm going for a long. I can enter anywhere basically because it's still in that C method, so I can enter pretty much here. What I like to do is put on my pivot high lows and put my stop loss a little bit below the previous low. So right here, or if I just narrow it down to the 5 minute, yep, right here. That's actually a good spot right here. Now I can put it tight. I just like to breathe, so here. And then TP is usually like a 1-to-1 or a little over that, so I usually just do it like right here. Or if I want to be precise with it, I just try to go for the next high, which is up here, which increases to like a 1-to-2. So yeah. And then what I do is I go ahead and actually, I go to my indicators, then I go to position size calculator, and this is where I actually get all my lot sizes from. So entry, stop loss, and if you guys don't know how to use this, I do have a video a couple videos back exactly how I use this, so I'm not gonna go over it in this video. It's pretty simple. If y'all want to know more information, I'll link the video in the in this video pretty much, right? So now I set up the contract size and I put the lot size amount. Yeah. Now I'm going to my MT5. Y'all see this on my Instagram, so I'm not gonna do all that. I'm not gonna screen share. It's too much work. So No, and I'm on the phone, so there's a lot going on. 35. Make sure I'm gonna put the exact amount so you get um the correct lot size. And at the bottom you can see it says I need to put 0.5. Right? I'll make this a little bigger. Oh, I can't. That's the biggest size. Yeah. As you can see, 0.5% is me putting a lot size of 0.5. So now all I have to do is actually just execute when I'm ready, which, as I can see momentum on the 5-minute real quick. I could wait a little longer. It just broke. BSI just broke. I mean, not BSI, bro. It just broke a structure here. So I could potentially just get in here or wait a little bit, but I might actually just get in here. Let's see. Excuse me. Wait it out a little bit longer. Yeah, we're just gonna wait it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna execute. Let's see. If it taps my line, I'll get him. Either tap my line or go a little bit lower. Either way, don't matter. I can literally just get it at any point now. And it's just gonna be one position. I'm not gonna do two because I'm kind of really low, and I don't wanna what you call it. I don't want to double my risk here because I'm trying to get my account back up. So I'ma just wait it out a little bit. Let me record on my Instagram real quick. Alright, I'm entering. Let's see where it's at. Yo, and we're going for a buy. Done. So entry point is at 2033.89. So that's about literally right here. So yeah, this may be a little risk over. We don't know, but it's alright. Alright, nah, it's still good. So yeah, we're in this trade officially. I will probably come back for a live update. If not, the update will be on Instagram first, for sure. And yeah, not gonna lie to y'all. And then what I do is just pretty much set my TP, stop loss, alerts, and then I go from there. So this is gonna be it. This is gonna be the update for now. Anything updates, I will post it on my Instagram first, and then later on I will come back because I'm gonna go to work soon. So I will come back whenever I'm back at the computer and go ahead and pretty much update you guys how the trade went, all this other stuff if I don't see it on my Instagram first. So yeah.
In front of me, even if you wasn't mine. Scared to admit my shortcomings, like an overdraft and missing fair planning. Better than me starting, evidence we miss, and I'm not more in love with you. Something wrong with me. I like the way you squeeze your face up, trigger me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't get no way out to it. It's insane, and I can't blame myself for loving you. Do with it all that I know is it was inside me. They recognize you.
Showing you guys that this trade was a dub. WWW for real. This took forever, but it definitely played out. I'll post my thing right here. But I actually like I think it was like day 3. I ended up just putting a another position. I think it was around here. I think it was here. I put another position here, and stop losses were moved to here, and then it just shot up. So I'm very very happy about it. I'm gonna break it down real quick on how I took the trade. So basically, actually no, not breakdown. I think I already did a breakdown earlier. In the earlier caption. I'm not 100% sure, but just to go over it real quick. The format is ICI. So if I go on the 5-minute and then I end up going in this area right here, right? If y'all don't know what ICI is, in-depth example, an in-depth explanation is on MethFX channel. He's the one that actually discovered ICI. So, for example, impulse, correction, little fake out here, correction, impulse, correction. I entered in the correction phase, and then I expected to go up, right? So that's what I was going based off, as well as trend was also in an uptrend, strong uptrend. If you can see right here. One day I'm gonna make a video on like see strong uptrend. So between the strong uptrend and the ICI and how price was moving, definitely my entry point. And break a structure on the lower time frame. Broke up, came back down, couldn't retest the low, boom, got in. And it played for a while. It played like I was in this bitch on Monday. And last week, basically. And I got out March 1st. So you can like so, you know, it started out cool, came up, then it came down. I was in drawdown for a while. Mind you, I don't really look at the chart like that until I get an alert. And I didn't get an alert. Look how close this was. I'm looking at the time because I go to work tonight. So, yeah. By the time y'all see this video, I'll probably be getting off work or still at work. But so close. So close. I was probably about 27 pips away from being stopped out. But I was not, thank God. And it reversed, came right back up. Still couldn't break this low. So, see. Anyways. Came back up, came down, came up. Literally formed another ICI in this time frame. IC came down, try to take this out, fake out, just like that, and it came up. And then came down again. That's where I put my stop loss. Came back up. That was a really big impulse push, and then it came down, kind of calmed down a little bit, came down. Boom, came up, came down, and then there was probably news here, and it just shot up. And that's how we won this trade. I won about almost 2%, I believe. I think it was like 1.6%. I don't know. I'll put it right here. But that's how much I made, and now the account is currently sitting at. I need a bounce. It's sitting at negative $152.76. So I'll show you guys here. Right there at the bottom. Those two. Yeah. But before then, you see how many losses I had. I was on a losing streak, and I broke that. So, we're gonna see what the setups are looking like for the week coming. Well, not even for the week coming. I forgot. That's crazy. I ended the week with a dub. That's really nice for next week. Because this is the end of the trading week, and all I need to recover is $152. So like 2%, 10K, 1.5%, whatever. So yeah, but this is gonna end this video. Nice, short, sweet, and because I need to go to work, I go to work for 10, and it's 9:30, and I need to change. But because I'm just coming in, and I'm gonna leave again. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown live type vid. Um, Make sure to like this video if y'all find any value into it, and subscribe if you want to continue with my journey. And I'm out. Peace.